find Sasquatch, old man.
We gotta find Sasquatch!
Listen, because he hit my truck last week. And he was about this thick, and there was this far in.
What?
I could touch the bump inside of my truck.
Oh my gosh!
And listen, the engine was sitting next to me in the truck.
Oh my gosh!
Let's go find that Sasquatch.
Yeah, we should.
What's his name?
We gotta find Sasquatch!
Let's go, old man. What was that?
What was that?
What's that tinging noise?
Bad hit. I gotta get a good one already. You're not getting the best hits. Oh, it's down there. So close. I got it. It's the one. Yeah.
Hey, look at that over there. Ah! Oh!
Oh no.
Oh!
Oh. Oh.
Oh, man.
Are you guys okay?
Help me up.
Oh, I gotta help that old man. You okay, sir?
Yes. Oh.
All right. Oh, shoot. I gotta help this guy first. Hey, you want your ball as a souvenir? Hey, you okay? You okay?
Just pick us up, darn it.
I'm sorry.
Stand up!
I need a walker. God, you're freaking old. Here's your ball. That's the ball that hit you.
Help me.
Oh, you're heavy. Where do you guys come from?
You do that.
Where do you guys come from?
Listen, we've been out here trying to find Sasquatch. And
Where did I find Sasquatch?
Ignore him, he's crazy. Listen,
I am not crazy.
I met you on the side of the road. You're lucky I didn't put you in an asylum.
It's so bad.
Listen,
Life is like a home run. You gotta take it seriously.
okay, let's go find some Sasquatch.
You okay there?
Don't worry, he's old.
Yeah, he is.
Shut up!
So, who's the Sasquatch?
I don't know.
Do we have to find
What do you want, Sasquatch? Wait a minute. Come on. Hey, oh, wait a minute. Get this side, get this side. Get back, get back. Wait a minute, he's solving a Rubik's Cube. Sasquatch just can do that? Jiminy Cricket. Sorry. Look at him go. How did he do that?
Oh my gosh.
I can't even do that. Stay back here. Look at him. He's amazing. He's a genius.
What a sight.
He's a genius.
He's done solving that key. Looks like he's got two signs. Looks like he's close. He's done solved it.
Oh.
Scrabble? What? Where? 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 Strikeout means K. Home run, HR.
Booga.
Yeah, it's right. I want to get signed for the Detroit Tigers, and Sasquatch can help me do that. Sasquatch. I'm going to pray for the fingers on my hands. Then I'm going to get caught up by AJ Hands, the guy who's and the World Series. And then I'm going to get resurrected for Sasquatch. Yeah. Please. American League, National League. Cubs. Yeah. So scary, but so cool at the same time. He's so smart. He knows what to do. Wow. So satisfying. Sasquatch, can you teach me to do that?
Yeah.
Suck at the Rubik's Cube. I'm like a granny solving. Oh, thank you. I'm like a granny solving it. Can I? Sasquatch makes you like Rubik's. Sasquatch are my friends now. Let me try. Yes.
Come with us, little Sasquatch. Let's murder him. The guy. Too much color.
You probably can't even see.
Come in.
Hi, Booga.
That's Sasquatch.
Wait, I'm Sasquatch?
That's Sasquatch.
Look at that. Oh. Sorry, you're supposed to throw it. Oh. Look at that over there. Oh, man.